Ever wondered how the size of a wheel can affect your ride? Strap in as we delve into the world of wheel sizes and their impact on mobility. In the realm of wheel-based mobility, size truly does matter. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The dimensions of a wheel, particularly its diameter, play a pivotal role in determining how a vehicle moves, behaves, and feels. From the smallest scooter wheels to the enormous rims of a monster truck, each size serves a unique purpose. Consider the world of automobiles. A compact car with small wheels might not have the ground clearance or off-road capability of a large-wheeled SUV, but it's likely to offer a smooth, comfortable ride in an urban environment. On the other hand, a sports car with larger wheels and slimmer tires might provide better grip and handling at high speeds, but may also transmit more road imperfections to the cabin. Then we have bicycles. A mountain bike with large, wide wheels can navigate rough terrain with ease, while a road bike with smaller, thinner wheels is designed for speed and efficiency on paved surfaces. Even within the realm of personal mobility devices like skateboards and rollerblades, wheel size can drastically affect speed, stability, and maneuverability. But choosing the right wheel size is not as simple as bigger equals better or smaller equals smoother. Several factors come into play. You need to consider the vehicle's intended use, the conditions it will be operating in, and even the driver's or rider's personal preferences and comfort. For instance, larger wheels can offer better grip and stability, but they also tend to be heavier, which can impact acceleration and fuel efficiency. Smaller wheels, meanwhile, can provide a softer ride and are often lighter, but they may not perform as well in off-road conditions or at high speeds. As we can see, the wheel size can make a significant difference to your ride. But how exactly does it do that? Stay tuned to find out. Small wheels, big impact. Let's discover the world of small wheel sizes and their uses. Enter the realm of small wheel sizes, where agility and maneuverability reign supreme. Small wheels are a common sight in our everyday lives. You see them on compact cars zipping through city streets, on skateboards executing tricks at the park, and on bicycles making their way through traffic jams. But why are small wheels chosen for these applications? Well, their compact size makes them lighter, allowing for quicker acceleration and sharper turns. This is crucial when navigating in tight spaces or performing intricate maneuvers like those seen in skateboarding. However, small wheels aren't all about speed and agility. They also serve a significant role in the world of transportation. In compact cars, for instance, small wheels help to maintain the vehicle's overall compact design, allowing them to fit into tight parking spaces and maneuver through narrow city streets. For bicycles, small wheels mean a lower center of gravity, enhancing balance and making it easier for riders to control their motion. But like everything in life, small wheels come with their own set of drawbacks. They may offer better maneuverability, but this often comes at the expense of stability and comfort. Small wheels have a smaller contact area with the ground, which can lead to a bumpier ride, especially on uneven surfaces. Additionally, because of their size, small wheels are more susceptible to getting stuck in potholes or sinking into soft ground. Despite these drawbacks, small wheels have found their niche in our world. Whether it's a compact car navigating through city traffic, a skateboard performing tricks, or a bicycle weaving through a crowded street, small wheels provide the agility and maneuverability needed to navigate these situations. So, small wheels can be quite handy in certain situations, but what about larger wheels? What benefits do they bring to the table? Bigger isn't always better, but sometimes it can be. Dive into the world of large wheel sizes and their uses. When you think of large wheels, you might picture a monstrous truck or a sleek performance car, and you'd be right. Large wheels are commonly found on trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Their size offers a few distinct advantages, the first of which is stability. Large wheels provide a greater surface area and contact with the road, and this increased traction can lead to enhanced stability, particularly at higher speeds. Comfort is another benefit. Large wheels can absorb more shock from the road, which can make for a smoother ride. This is particularly beneficial for trucks and SUVs, which often need to navigate rough terrains. Large wheels can also improve the aesthetics of a vehicle, providing a more aggressive and sporty look. This is often why you'll see them on performance cars. However, as with anything, there are also disadvantages to consider. Large wheels can decrease maneuverability. The larger the wheel, the more difficult it is to turn swiftly. This is why you'll rarely see large wheels on compact city cars. Furthermore, large wheels can decrease fuel efficiency. The additional weight of large wheels requires more energy to propel the vehicle forward, which can lead to increased fuel consumption. Another point to consider is the tire. With large wheels come large tires, and these can be more expensive to replace. Plus, larger wheels and tires are more prone to damage from potholes and curbs. So while large wheels can offer increased stability and comfort, they may also decrease maneuverability and fuel efficiency. They can improve the look of a vehicle, but they can also increase maintenance costs. It's a balance, a trade-off. So, large wheels have their own set of advantages and disadvantages, but how do you decide what wheel size is perfect for you? From compact cars to massive trucks, wheel sizes play a crucial role. Let's recap what we've learned. Wheel size is not just about aesthetics, it significantly impacts the mobility of your vehicle. Small wheels, often seen on compact cars and bicycles, are lightweight and make for easy maneuvering. On the other hand, larger wheels, typically found on trucks and off-road vehicles, provide better grip and stability, especially on rough terrains. Choosing the right wheel size is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It requires understanding of your vehicle's purpose, the terrain you'll be traversing, and the performance you desire. Fuel efficiency, ride smoothness, and vehicle handling are all influenced by the wheel size. So next time you're considering a wheel upgrade or a new vehicle purchase, remember to give some thought to the wheels. Whether it's a smooth ride or a fuel-efficient journey you're after, the right wheel size can make all the difference. Remember, it's not just about the size, but how you use it. Drive safe,